We find ourselves at the moment in the marine garden. So over the years there have been multiple occasions of major damage to this garden during hurricanes. The muck, the debris here was knee deep and the basin was entirely filled with debris. And since this is a garden that is kind of out of reach, it's difficult to bring heavy equipment here to empty it out. After Hurricane Irma, we did this with the help of a tremendous crew from Miami-Dade County's Water and Sewage Department. They had lines running from the basin here over the bridge to the other side, which is now the property of the Archdiocese, and La Salle High School is there. They had trucks there and they pumped everything out of this basin. So it's a problem that with each hurricane this happens again. That bridge over there goes over a canal or an estuary that connects with Biscayne Bay. So during a hurricane, water is pushed up into the canal and also into the mangroves here to my right, and with that a lot of debris and muck and mud. What we do to prevent that the next time is we are in the process of getting this tiger dam system, which means that large tubes, plastic tubes that are going to be filled with water, will be placed here and in other places of the garden and around the main house as well, to protect flood water from entering the gardens, entering the house also, and especially muck also and debris. Besides the debris and the muck and the mud, there was also damage to this railing, significant damage. Some of the limestone posts had been toppled over, others were just very unstable and they had to be pinned or repinned. There was also quite a bit of damage to the metal railing. Some parts were broken, some parts were missing. So we contracted with Rosa Lowinger and Associates, a local conservation firm, and they also subcontracted with a local firm, Artworks in Homestead, to do repairs to this, cleaning and repair. There were a lot of patches that were failing or really unsightly and discolored, and so they've been working on this since December, and we are about to finish this up. You'll see over there one of the conservators, Jenny Cabrera of Rosa Lowinger and Associates, is working. So Jenny Cabrera is doing the finishing touches on the patchwork. We are opening up the garden again to our visitors in the next few days or so. Horticulture will come through here also to do some finishing touches to the plantings and all that. And this is a very popular spot for photographers, for the quinceañeras, and so we're really happy that the marine garden is back in shape and open to the public.
Reserve your tickets online at vizcaya.org/welcome.